Hey everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, you will learn how you can easily verify your site with a Google, with your Shopify site. And it's quite simple, so I will show you the whole process. So the first thing, what you need to do is just write into Google Search Console, right? Click on it, start now. And you will get here, welcome to the Google Search Console. And you have two options how you can verify your site. First is just domain or URL prefix. So you have options and enter domain or enter URL. We are going to enter the URL here on URL prefix. So as a showcase, because if you're registering first time domain, they will ask you for your DNS. Let me show you. They will ask you for your DNS and you need to verify with your DNS provider, let's say GoDaddy. And then you can verify like that. But you can go with the URL prefix. This is also really cool if you have like products or a new blog post. So here, continue, and I will show you. So first, what you need to do, HTML file, click here on HTML tag. Now, what you want to do is just copy this tag here, copy. So we got to copy it on the clipboard. When we have it, what we want to do now is go to home, and then click on your online store in your Shopify theme. Then you will find it here, your current theme, actions. Click here on edit code. Okay, and when we have it, you will find it here, theme liquid. Click on it. And then you will find it here, head. So what you want to do is just press space. And now just add your Google site verification. Right here. Really simple, really easy, and you got it. So this is how you can verify your site, and it's quite simple. And then just click verify. I need to save it. Yeah, just give me a second. Yeah, it's a bot site, so it won't work on my Shopify site. If I would buy a domain, then it would work. But right now, it's just okay how we can actually do it. So just edit, then verify, and you will have it. But also, this is really important to use as you have like URL prefix. If you got like your domain, start with the domain, okay? Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.